Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing HughesManchester.com. So as you can see, we have it here on the website. So if you don't know what they do, they sell clothes and accessories. So they have men's collection and women's collection. And basically, these images right here are very clearly AI generated. So as you can see, these images right here also are really low quality, but these ones are AI generated. And basically what they sell is like dresses, slippers, sandals, and shirts for men. And if you're wondering if they're legit or not, we have it here opened up on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 2.5 out of 5 stars with only 5 reviews. So as you can see, 1 star, refusal to honor legal cancellation rights, do not buy from this company, really angry with my purchase from this, do not buy from this company, do not use this business, not UK based, and clothes is not as depicted on the website. So please guys, do not order anything from this website. They are very clearly a scam. Yeah, that's basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.